We have a 2018 Clarity, towed in yesterday. Vehicle won't start, won't shift into gear. Let's see, here we go. Jeez, look at that air filter. I'm gonna do a hard reset for 10 minutes and see if that can get the Clarity to shift out of park. All right, hard reset's been done. And it shifts out of park. Brake light switch is stuck on. In order to replace the brake light switch, you gotta go under here. And that's your brake light switch right there. Brake switch has been replaced. Car is in accessory mode now. Brake pedal must be pressed. All the lights are cleared, all the sensors are calibrated. Vehicle shifts.